This is an asteroid that makes people feel bad. Its orbit intersects Earth's orbit. Scientists predict that the asteroid will arrive on April 13, 2029, close flyby of our planet. The probability of a collision with Earth is 0.7%. It is currently among all asteroids observed by humans, the only celestial body that could hit the Earth. If he really had the misfortune to hit the Earth, this could become a catastrophe that engulfs the world. Scientists give this asteroid came with a horrible name. Destroy the God Star. So what is the diameter of the Destroy Star? How powerful will he hit the Earth? Today we evaluate his quality and orbits and a detailed analysis of potential hazards. Let's learn more about this mysterious asteroid. Have a clear understanding. Hello everyone and welcome to the Encyclopedia Studio. June 19, 2004. Kitt Peak National Observatory, Arizona, USA. Engage in Roy Tucker and David J. of Asteroid Research. Torren and Fabrice O. Bernard. A forbidden asteroid has been discovered. After more than half a year of observation and tracking, calculate the asteroid. It will pass away from Earth on April 13, 2029, past nearly 58,000 kilometers. What is the concept of 58,000 kilometers? That's 4.5 times the diameter of the Earth. Human-launched Earth, prohibited altitude of satellite orbits, approximately 35,800 kilometers. The asteroid is only larger than the orbit of Earth's forbidden satellite, a little higher. After 200 days of continuous observation and study, after determining the asteroid's orbit, scientists named it Apophis. Asteroid permanent number 99942. Apophis was a dark place in ancient Egypt, synonym for the god of destruction. The Chinese name is Destruction Star or Death Star, discovered through observational studies. The diameter of the destroyer is about 350 meters. The mass exceeds 20 million tons. His orbital radius is less than 150 million kilometers. It takes 323 days to go around the Sun once. As he approaches and leaves the Sun, 7 orbits will intersect the Earth's orbit. It is a very dangerous celestial body. Once the asteroid intersects the Earth's orbit, this means that there is a certain probability that he will hit the Earth. What's the probability? Astronomers observed him hundreds of times. Computational simulation. Discovery of destroyer. The probability of an impact on Earth in 2029 is as high as 0.7% for celestial bodies. The probability of a collision between gray star and Earth, already very dangerous, because 58,000 kilometers is not a relatively safe distance. If Hydra does collide with Earth, then his destructive power will be amazing, enough to destroy a medium-sized country. The damage caused will be immeasurable. Although the diameter of the hybrid star is only 350 meters, but hitting the Earth, the energy released will reach 1.53 billion tons. The power of TMT explosives, equivalent to 100,000 Hiroshima atomic bombs, while still on Earth. You can imagine how terrible his destruction was. It is for these reasons that make scientists, they named him Apophis. In terms of time, the star has been close to the Earth for less than 5 years. Humans can effectively prevent and change the trajectory of the asteroid. According to scientists' observations and demonstrations, Mirage will only pass by Earth in 2029. It won't directly hit the Earth, so we can rest assured. But there were 2 unforeseen problems. These 2 questions could change the orbit of the destructor. The first is when the destruction star approaches the Earth. The Earth's attractive forces bending the orbit of the asteroid. Because there is a region above the Earth. It's called a gravitational keyhole. The region is affected by the Earth's gravity. Could make it pass through the Earth's gravitational keyhole? changing the orbit of the destruction star. Even asteroids hit the Earth during the next orbital period. If the star, and it happens to fly over this region of the Earth in 2029, then he will enter another orbit. It could hit the Earth in 2036. Although this possibility is very low, but it is also a potential danger that cannot be ignored. The second question, that is, there are countless asteroids in the solar system. Current scientists, the number of near-Earth asteroids detected is 30,039. It's one of those things. There are more than 1,400 asteroids. We cannot rule out the possibility of an impact on Earth. Among these asteroids, there are over 300 asteroids. The closest distance to the destruction star is less than 150,000 kilometers. Scientists are concerned the attractive force of these asteroids may disturb the destructor. Even in space, there are still many human beings who cannot see measured celestial debris. Once the destruction star encounters these celestial debris, may change his trajectory. According to the International Asteroids, the data information display of the Joint Center, every year we find, can the Earth? There are as many asteroids as there are threats. 1,000 other things. There are many more asteroids that could pose a threat to Earth. We didn't detect it at all. These asteroids are moving fast, small size with our current technology. It's hard to detect their existence. For us humans, the current most effective means of addressing asteroid threats is to change the trajectory of the asteroid. Let them automatically deviate from the orbit of the impact on the Earth. However, due to the large number of asteroids, small and fast, humans are not yet in time. Precise orbital prefabrication of these asteroids. It cannot be easily changed. The orbits of these forbidden asteroids. Trying to lower the asteroid impact. Probability of. One of the most critical factors is time. The sooner a near-Earth asteroid is discovered, the more you can observe and track them. The more time we have left. Anyway, the star gives us a sense of instability in the solar system. Determined space environment also provided us with a study and the opportunity to explore space. At this stage, we're only rapidly improving existing technologies, working together with scientists from around the world. I believe that in the near future, human must be able to deal with these from outer space. Great challenge.